We're over here at the press now. We're gonna press these studs out. And if you don't have a press, you can use a hammer, you know, a socket and some stuff, and you can make it all work. We prefer using a press. What you're gonna wanna take is your lug nut, and you're gonna run it about halfway down your stud there. Take it like that. And you're gonna and there it's out. You end up with your wheel stud. You're gonna do that on the rest of them. You run your You're gonna do the same thing again. Make sure you're running about halfway down. That way you don't mess up the threads or the end of your studs. And there's your fourth one out. We have here our Hess Motorsports wheel studs, which we prefer changing out if you're really hard on your equipment. If not, you can run the stock studs, which on your right is your stock one, and the two left ones are your Hess Motorsports studs, which you can run your stock one if you like. We prefer, you know, to run the Hess Motor ones. They're more of a stouter material, which we have 8047 in the middle, and we have 300M on the outside, which is going to be the most expensive stud. We're putting them on here, you know, side to side. That way you don't end up with your rotor turned a little bit and you don't warp your rotor, so you try to go from side to side when you start. We're installing our strongest material here, the 300M. You're gonna, on the last little part when you're pushing them all the way down, you're gonna make sure that they're seated into the rotor. Sometimes you gotta press real hard, sometimes you don't, but you wanna make sure that they all look the same when you get done. And make sure that your rotor's all good and tight, and you should be good to go.
Flip it and shut, there you go. Yeah.
That's your end product right there.